All right, so I actually went to a range. Before I go to a range, I always practice my swing, and this is a swinging training portable telescopic golf club. Now, this one it fit on my little backpack that I had with me. You could carry it anywhere. Of course, it's gonna fit in your golf bag too. But before I even took my swings, first I was warming up because every ball counts, of course, especially if you're spending money. Now, the only reason I took it is because every time I rotated to different golf clubs, I was able to practice it first, and then after that, I was able to swing correctly. So it's one of those things I like about this thing. It gives you that warm up first before you start actually taking real long swings. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hey, if you guys need practice on your swing, highly recommend you this. Now, the only way it kind of extract is when you're on the money on the ball. For some reason, the magnets and the actual metal expand right where you're supposed to swing at. When you actually pull the swing, you know exactly where to get the sweet spot. Handles for how to hold the actual grip. Teaches you the beginning, so it's molded into a grip. You guys can see that. And if you guys are gonna go practice like I am, warm up with this first before you start spending money on the balls and start swinging. So not bad, not bad little device, you guys can see.